This is the Evo 10 16G to 20G program. That took a total of 9 minutes 49 seconds. This used to take me 2.5 hours manually. So even after machining, we still have to cut this ridge here. And I made this custom tool to do that. However, I can't really show you how I'm going to do this because I don't have anybody to hold the camera and work the handles. So I machined it all back there. You can see how much room we have. And here's the end of the pieces that come out. If you don't machine behind here, it can cause a lot of back pressure issues. The reason why this needs to be cut is for the taller tip height. So the final step is to flare the inlet, but you're going to have to do that manually too. So I'll show you the video of what it looks like after I machine it. So I flared it out a pretty good ways, and that's about as much as I like to flare them, just so we have more gasket here. And then that line just behind it is where the compressor wheel sits, so I marked it so I know where to flare it. And then from here I sand it and polish it. And it's time to send her home. This concludes the machining process of the 20T IN20G upgrade for the Evo 10. So I'll let you see what it looks like finished. And with the bearing housing installed. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Mostly people are hitting around 415 horsepower with this, but we have seen somebody hit 493, but that was on E85 at 31 PSI. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much fun as I had filming it. I'll go ahead and link to all the products used in the description box. If you want to buy them, you can. Also, we do offer this service, an upgrade and a rebuild, and you can contact us about that at turbolabamerica@gmail.com. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming it. And also, I'll go ahead and link to all the products used in the description box. We do sell the billet wheels, rebuild kits, and things like that. We do offer the service depending on how much time we have, and you can contact us about that at turbolabamerica@gmail.com.